Hi guys, today I will unbox the HomePod Mini and connect it or set it up with an iPhone running iOS 15 Developer Beta 1. I'm Vlad from iPhoneTricks.org and let's do it. So here we have the HomePod Mini box. It shows the model number, serial number and assembly location. So after a careful inspection of the box, you see this arrow here, so most likely I have to pull it to unseal the box. Here we go. Okay, so I unsealed it all the way around. I have to pull up, I guess. Okay, and also the bottom. And here is the HomePod Mini hardware. Info on the box in German language. Color is white. And now let me see how I can unseal this one. You do need a sharp tool for this, so I won't stress it any further and just get a knife. Let me see if that's enough. Okay. Now trying to open the box. Shaky. Managed to grab the lid. Okay. Good. Here is the Mini. Here is the Bluetooth speaker. Nice. And the charging cable attached to it. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Packaging. Okay, do we have an Apple sticker here or not? Yay, we have one. Bingo. Remember, there was none in the AirTag box. HomePod Mini. It's quick action, setup, some other warranty and other info. Okay, here's the charger. Cool European charger. Should be 20-watt charger, or yes, 20-watt charger. That's identical with the iPhone 12 Pro 20-watt charger. I mean, the one that you buy extra, because of course it's not included in the box. Okay, so let me just quickly plug it in for you. Apple. Okay. Ooh. What's here? A bit of dirt. Can you see? Some small imperfection. A bit dirty. Strange. Nothing on my hands. So it was shipped like this. Okay, never mind. So let me unseal the charging cable. Okay. I also have to remove this, and I'll get more over here. Okay, on the table, connect to the USB-C 20-watt charger, and now I'll plug it in quickly for you and see how to turn it on. Okay, it's plugged in. You see this light flashing over here, so I guess... Oh, nice. It started. So I instantly got a card here on the iPhone screen. The HomePod Mini Setup card. Okay, so I should pick a room. Let me put it in the living room. Okay. HomePod can recognize your voice. Siri can recognize your voice and allow you to use any HomePod in this home to play your music. Ask Siri question. Select blah blah blah. Recognize my voice. Okay. Use personal requests. Good. I'll do it. Continue. Siri for everyone. Siri can recognize of each person in this home to provide access to their own music, reminders, calendar, and more. Great. Continue. Location service. However, is to allow Siri to respond about the weather, traffic, and more. And not now. Terms and conditions. I agree. Accounts and settings. Use your iCloud account, Wi-Fi and settings. Okay. Transfer settings, of course. Center the HomePod in the frame. Okay. Ooh, it sounds nice. Okay, I have the setting up message over here. In the meantime, let's see if there's anything else in the box. No, box is empty. Okay, place here while it's setting up. I'll quickly pack everything else. It's 4:45. Oh, it's ready.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a station just for you.
Gee, the sound on this is amazing. Why haven't I bought it sooner? Okay, let me mute it for copyright reasons. Okay, I tap done. I think that now everything is set up. Living room HomePod playing. Great. Good. Nice notification. The new iOS 15 notification banners. Okay, I just opened the Home app and now it allows me to set up an intercom. Let me tap continue. Choose when intercom notifications are delivered to this iPhone. Okay guys, so that's how to unbox and set up a new HomePod Mini with an iPhone running iOS 15. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.